So, I inserted a cassette into my thing, and this is what it says. Hey, taxi. Yeah. I didn't want to save the game. And also, look what I found at the police station. It wouldn't fit in my garage, so I was going to try and put it in the neighbor's garage. But then I was like, no, they're not taking it. Actually, they can't take it in the game. You know what? I'll put it in the neighbor's garage. Ouch. Oy. I've crashed this a lot of times, and I found a police car right there. I think I got it stuck. Yeah, it's stuck. It is not moving. Go. Come on, get out of there. It's not moving at all. It is kind of moving. Whoa. It's helping. There we go. I got it out. Not even a scratch. This thing is cool though. Alright, well that's kind of all I wanted to do. I think I might have more time. I'm going to try to see if I can head to the police station. I might run out of time because my storage usually gets full and then the video ends because the storage gets full. So that might be what will happen now. So I'm going to try to get to the police station as fast as I can before the video ends. And I'm going to try not to run anybody over. And the police station is the opposite way of where I'm going, and so I'm going to turn around. Which way? Oh, he just clipped my thing. Ow, and I'm also going the wrong way. Wait, the RC car's there! The RC car is like the tiny car you can drive. And there's like a little tunnel that might be for a different video that I'll do. Yes, the monster truck is also here. That might also be a different video as well. Where was the police car I found? It was over at this playground. I don't know where I put it. Oh, I put it back over at the garage. It's not there. Okay, well at least I can see if they have their helicopter. I'll give them their. No, I'm not giving them this back. It's mine. It's mine forever. And also, there are a few symbols at the back of the police station. Up here. Right here. So, teardrop, I don't know, diamond shape, block, or square, the wing, or whatever, down, bigger square, diamond, teardrop, circle, yin yang, wing wang, whatever, and square. That's pretty weird. Alright, I'm gonna go check the chopper. You stay right there, okay? I paid a lot of money for you. Even though I didn't buy you, I paid a lot of money. I paid 800,000 slash, in reality, $0.00 for you. So you stay right there. Because $0.00 is a lot of money. So I need you to stay there. Whoa. It's not here. Well, I don't know where they store their other ones because there's like 10 million that roam the city. I'm okay. bust through the door. This is where they put the helicopter. I'm stuck. So yeah, they store the helicopter inside the building. Not a very smart idea. What do I need? I'm not going to jail. There's an inmate. Oh, he has guns and money. Okay, so this jail is a stupid jail. They allow guns. Oh, there's another guy here with a crowbar. Bro, just take that crowbar and break the bars, bro. Also, I think that guy was like the... Whoa! Alright, I'm not gonna stick my head in the ceiling anymore. What's this door? Nothing, okay. What about this room? This is the conversation room, okay. Is there any money in here? Can I pick anything up? I can't even take the donuts. Come on, man. Jump. There's a trash can with cases in it. Oh, there's a puddle. Whoa! See, I slipped on the puddle. Why do they got boxes? Is this where they store the... Is this their custody room? Is this where they store the .exes and stuff? After they catch them? I want to flip the camera off so bad. So, oh, I already got to that room. How do I get upstairs? I see you. Slap, 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 slap. That's your name, camera. Slap, 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 slap. Okay, I was in there for about 9 hours in the game. So that little vehicle I found at the, where the Ferris wheel is. Ferris wheel. Stop. Oh. Hopefully my SWAT truck is still up there. Yes, it's still there. Wait, it rolled back? Who was in here? Did anyone take you? What happened to you? Did someone beat you up? Where did they go? They went this way? Okay. We're gonna go get them. Now. Do you know what they looked like? Well, obviously you know. Is that them? There. I won't mess with you anymore. Oh no! Alright, I need to stop at the gas station. Because I didn't want to show you guys, actually, no. But we can do some, skateboarding. Why is there a floating taco? What? Why can't I pick it up? Can I eat it? No, I can't eat it. Can I smack it? I can smack it. Okay, since I can't do anything with that. Oh, but I can do something with this. Whoa. Ow. Ow. I'm gonna make this thing fly high to the sky. Can I run over the taco? What is it doing? Spin me right round, baby, right round, like a reggae baby, right round, right round. Also, I'm landing on my head. You spin me right around, baby, right around, like a reggae baby, right round, right round. Wait, this thing has nitro? Whoa, this thing does have nitro. Okay, this is cool. Whoa. Nitro me! Yeah, don't nitro anymore, real quick. Nitro! Oh, that was 11. Oh. Also, I was able to go to the bank, and there was dollars sitting on the floor, and I was able to reach them. Like, it was in the vault, though, but I couldn't open the vault, but I was able to reach the dollars sitting in there, but not the money bags. So, yeah. Where did the skateboard go? I need that to get back to the SWAT truck. What is this? Huh? I haven't seen this yet. Is there any secrets over here? Oh, wait, this is the factory. This is where the zombies and stuff can, like, this is where they happen. But that's probably going to be for a different video. It stinks at this place. Nah. Yeah, we're not going to do anything with that. What does that say? Danger? What, there's this thing over here? Is this danger? Oh, there's a UFO. Can I drive the UFO? Aliens! Can I hijack your vehicle? Aliens! Listen to me. Can I hijack you? No? Is that... Someone's cooking hot dogs. Guess I can't take the UFO. What's this? Some sort of micro thing? Over a million? Look at the thing, the blue circle. Under it, it says over a million. Like up at the top right corner. Over a million. And the top left corner is a map. And I don't know. Oh, I got a Lambo. Oh, I got a ramp car. Ooh, I got a flying car that didn't work the last time I had it. Oh, there's a Bugatti. There's that skateboard we have. Is that where it is? I don't know how I got all the way over there. That's in China. We're in, like, Asia. Or, no, we're not in Asia. We're in, like, we're in Canada. Somehow I got all the way to China. Race car, a chair. Okay. A plow truck. Santa sleigh. I'm not Santa, so I'm not gonna. Tesla Cybertruck. That's pretty cool. A plane. A tank. Another Bugatti or a Tesla or something. That's it. Alright, I'll take the tank. I'm gonna have to watch an ad. Okay, that was actually pretty cool. Hop in this beast. And let's go do some exploding. Can we fire this? Oh, we can. Okay, that's pretty cool. So what can we do? We can go blow up the police station. Yeah, let's go do that. Blowing up the police station is my favorite thing. That should be a holiday. Like, that should be like a holiday where you go do that in the tank. Donut shop? When since was there a donut? Since when was there a donut shop? Yo, Popo! Yo, Popo! Oh crap, I missed. I'm missing. Missile.